people, my people. Good afternoon, my people. We have a cloudy sky here in Daytona. In Daytona Beach, this is, my people, we're going south Nova Road from 13th Street. And this is LPGA. I gotta go get lunch, my people. And then I say, let me take a break. And maybe I do, like 20-minute video to see what's going on. We having thunderstorm partly, and it's raining and lightning. And yesterday, Sunday, we had a high winds. When I wake up this morning, I went to work. I see a lot of debris on the road from the tree, and was loud, my people, loud. So here we are. I put it in pause, people, because this light on Nova Road, they take too much time, I want to say hi. Yesterday, I was watching my video, the old videos, and I want to say hi to Negli de Jesus. Negli, if you listen to me, I read you comment the other day, but thank you for everything, a big part of my channel. I appreciate it. And Frank Lopez, also, I want to say hi to Frank Lopez. Speak to Daniel. Thank you, buddy, for coming. And I want to say hi to all my family, my people. Wednesday, I'm taking a JetBlue to New York because my son is getting married. So, and I come back August 3rd, come back to town. I gotta be here, my people, too. So JetBlue fly direct, my people. This is heavy rain, but I gotta eat. So I gotta. It is what it is, my people. It's raining again in Daytona, and probably the temperature should go down. But right now it's 93 degrees, and it's coming down, my people. So first, I want to go to a steak and shake, because in between 2 and 4, they have the happy hour. Everything is half a price to pick up a shake, milkshake. And then I go to KFC. My people, I'm not cooking. It's a lot of work, I go and pick up here and there, and Chinese food here, and KFC is right here, but I gotta go to a steak and shake first. That's in International Speedway. So when I come back, I get my couple of pieces of KFC because I like the taste. Since I can remember, this is the rush hour, not rush hour, this is 211, but it's a lot of traffic, my people, because Daytona is growing up by the minute, and they building up, a lot of people moving in, and it's growing, and more people come. I can see it because they developing a lot of building, building apartment, and my God, more people come, more car we get, more traffic we get. So this is the Kia dealer. They making nice car, my people. I like Kia too, but I got a Nissan Pathfinder, which is have a good reputation, I maintenance. I go out, do Uber from 6 to 12, and then I go home. Today was good. Sometimes I only make $20 or 30. I'm happy anyway because I'll do it to get out of the house, my people, and talk to people, meet people, and it's fun because every day I learn more about this region, So this is International Speedway Boulevard, my people, and Nova Road, and a Steak and Shake. I don't know if you see the building, but I'm gonna make this right and pick up my people. I'm gonna put it in pause, for a few minutes, and pick up my shake and then go to KFC. And people, also here is the aquarium, Daytona Beach Aquarium. You can see it. I bring a lot of tourism here, and steak and shake it right here, my people. I'm moving everything, my people. Please, my people, you can see the some of the menu right there. My people, we got a little bit of water, and a thunderstorm. Now, my people, I got the shakes. And I gotta make it right here on International Speedway. And the traffic, heavy traffic, my people, Por los matorrales es que va Macusa. Déjate de cebolla, paquetero. Se me dice a Fran López, I love you, baby. You see the traffic, my people. When I came over here in 2022, there was no traffic like this. Un dead of rain, people, again. Un dead of rain. Hay que mirarlo ahí, güey. Yo te lo dije, caramba. Traigo de todo. Un dead of rain here, baby. I gotta fix the camera because the camera is the phone, my people, and the phone is the camera. I'm gonna turn here, my people. This is White Street. I like this street because it's not too many traffic lights, and we get straight to Mason Avenue to go to KFC, and then we go, and I take you for a ride. But I got my dinner secure, my people, In paradise, My people, I love you guys. I got the list, my people, here, but I'm driving right now, my people. And I want to say hi to a couple of new subscribers that they comment. And yesterday was the day I was watching my videos, the old ones. And they keep viewing, from different countries. From La India, they don't have no beach. It's a different structure, my people. Come on, guys. Let me see. Okay, I made the turn on Dune Avenue to Nova, and then I make the left. In paradise. So my people, I'm gonna go to New York for 5 days. I might take a video because I leave Wednesday from DAB to JFK, and then Thursday I'm going with Jose. My son is getting married. We're gonna go fishing that day, and I'm gonna, I got the opportunity to make a video over there. I bring my phone stand. I put it in my luggage. My people. We gotta take it like this. It's good, this rain, I love it. Clean the air, and the dust, and the grass and the forest. My people, they get happy, and the cow, Here in Daytona, we got a lot of farm, my people. I'm gonna make a video and show you, not tomorrow, when I come back in August. And they selling parcel, acres all over the place. Over here in Daytona is a lot of land. Un touch, yet, This is the Toyota dealer on Doom, and then you got Kia in the front. They making good cars, it is what it is. They doing nice SUV, 7 passenger, like my Pathfinder. Sometimes I get airport, family of 4 and 5, and everybody fit good, plus the luggage, I see one in the front. Everybody happy. But if you do Uber or the PT Cruiser, you're not gonna get those trips, Over here, my people, in Daytona Beach, we got a lot of pickup, like this one here in the front. And over here, in New York, you cannot modify them, like here. Over here, a lot of guys, they bring it up, the front up. And there is a lot of pickup truck here, a lot, And I was talking to my son yesterday. The gallon is $5.27. Over here is $3.99. We're reaching almost $4. I hope this thing is over, man. Because 4 months ago, we was paying $2.79, $2.75 for regular, And things change. I gotta stop KFC, my people. You can see it from here. To get chicken. So my people, I'm gonna put it in pause for now. My people, we back. So we got the rain go on and off, on and off. Oh, I want to say hi to my cousin in Boston, Massachusetts, Luis Díaz, Luis Ocal, Luisita y la tía mía divina. Un saludo para todos y espero verlos pronto. Estamos todos bien por aquí, tía. Así que siéntase en su mecedora y siga balanceándose para que siga viviendo muchos años más, porque usted yo sé que va a durar muchos años más. Bendición. God bless you. To my aunt Divina. So my people, we driving now home, you know. It's raining, you know. But we got a 15-minute video, you know, that's not fair. But the weather is bad, my people. Maybe I do another video before I fly. I'm gonna try to do a fly when the plane JetBlue take off. And then the rest is gonna be New York, Thursday. So we continue, my people. Speed Freak Daniel. God bless you, kid. You know, he do Voltran buses, Voltran transportation, you know. And he got more viewers than me, more subscribers than me. That he, you know, that's nice. So my people, we got a cloudy sky here and there, and it's raining, you know. The video is not the same when it's sunny, you know. But we need the rain too. Because if it get too dry and the foresta get too dry, it get brown, and then it's easy, very easy to catch wildfire. So the rain, you know, reinforce the foresta that, you know, that those fires don't develop, you know, and we need it. Sometimes, last winter we was dry for like 4 months, no rain, you know, and I hope we don't get no hurricane this season, my people. I don't want to see my home fly on the air, you know. Yesterday was scary, you know. So my people, I promise I'm gonna make a longer video tomorrow. So I'm closer to get home, and just because privacy, you know, is important, I'm gonna finish the video here, my people. I love you guys, and I love all the people in Agrocentro Lopez, in Aguada, Puerto Rico. And God bless everybody. Frank Lopez, I love you, baby. God bless everybody. God bless America, the United States. Bye.